In this final example, I'll show how to apply a kitchen sink mentality or a method of zone training. Now we have something that's very basic to something more complex within zones. Obviously, a full range repetition is the most basic of a zone. You're working the entire section or zone of the range of motion. But then work the top half, 2 or 3 repetitions. Same thing with the bottom half. Then I'd work it in thirds. Top third, again 2 or 3 repetitions, followed by the middle, followed by the bottom. Then I'd start working in quarters. Now I can go back to the top and work in quarters, or else I can do it from the bottom. Doesn't matter at this point. You're getting very close to fatigue overall. In this example, I'm starting from the bottom and then working the top. Now, I always like, when I work fractals, I like working from the bottom to the, from a stretch to contraction. So I'll go back to the bottom, and this is where I perform 2 repetitions, and I try to achieve more than 4 zones. I already did quarters, so I started off with halves, went to thirds, did quarters, and by this time I should be very close to muscular fatigue. Now, I can always throw in a full range super slow repetition. I can take a bit of a break and reverse the order. So I can start off with the very small fractal reps, then get into quarters, thirds, and then halves, and then again I can choose to finish off with a super slow repetition.